Welcome to BTSE. In this video, we'll show you how to complete the KYC process on BTSE. You'll need to pass KYC in order to use important functions such as converting fiat to crypto and using credit cards to deposit money in your BTSE account. Without passing KYC, you'll only be able to transfer crypto in from other platforms and wallets. Other advanced features such as fiat deposits and withdrawals also require you to pass the KYC process. The first step is to verify your photo ID. You'll need to verify your photo ID if you want to be able to deposit funds using a credit card on BTSE. To get started, go to Verification on the top of the menu bar and click Unlock Credit Card Deposits. You'll then be asked to complete a short form. Fill in your primary country of residence, occupation, and source of funds, and then click Next. Choose what type of document you want to upload for your photo ID. In this example, we use a driver's license. Select Driver's License to upload photos of your ID, and follow the instructions to ensure all of the requirements are met. Before submitting, make sure that the uploaded documents have the correct info and are clearly legible. Next, you will be asked to take a selfie while holding your ID. Submit your photo by clicking Confirm and wait for the results to be processed. This may take as long as 5 to 10 minutes, so please be patient. The second step of the KYC process is to verify your address. After you do this, you'll be able to transfer money directly from your bank account to your BTSE account. To start the verification process, click Unlock Fiat Deposits and Withdrawals. Here you can upload your proof of address documents. You can use utility bills, credit card statements, lease agreements, and even company payslips, as long as they have your address printed. After submitting your documents, please wait for us to review them. This may take around 2 to 3 days. Once the review process is complete, you'll receive an email notifying you of your verification results. After you complete these 2 verification processes, you'll be able to buy crypto with credit cards and money from your bank accounts.